honorable judges and member of parliament houses and prime minister. I want to say that a school should not teach a comprehensive education system, sex education. Why I'm saying that? Because actually our prime minister don't have a basic knowledge about sex education. That's why he's saying that we should provide sex education to kids, school going students. They are young and they are distracted. That's why they are going different training session, motivation session for the purpose of control their mind. They are not able to control their mind. How can a kid can control their mind? So in this condition, I can say, honorable judges, that he should come with a new data, new information, and he should come with a updated version of mind. I can make you understand what is a school. A school is made for under 18 student, like 14 years, 15 years, and 12 years person. They don't means they have a lot of work. Like they have if I talk about in this era 21st century, kids are going participating in different extracurricular system. Like they are participating in dance, martial art, and singing and different curriculum. In fact, I have also noticed that most of kids are learning and school going students are learning languages, like especially English language, foreign language, and different things. So guys, if you have a small bucket and if you fill more water on that bucket, what will happen? All water will come out from that. In the same way, what happens, our PM Modi our PM want to make our Indian students like a dustbin. Like you should not be usable, you should like garbage. So I think that they should come with a new content. Let me also make you understand what is a sex education. Sex education is all about knowledge of reproductive organs, reproductive system. So we should not make them aware in a school. They should get knowledge in a college, university in details. And as far as if you are concerned about kids, a school going student, then I can make you understand you are in this era where what is happening, we are in information technology where everything is available on Google, YouTube, Instagram, and different resources, and they are mastering that. In fact, I can also make you understand what is happening nowadays. Kids are more intelligent, they have a more knowledge about sex education than main person. Why? Because they are connected with that. I can also make you understand our parents are not able to use a smartphone or devices in a good way, but our kids, our school going students are able to use in a very sharp way. So guys, we can understand that if somebody has a Google, somebody has a YouTube, somebody has a lot of chances, they can distract. So I don't think that we should allow in a school for comprehensive education system. If you allow them, they will not focus on main thing, they will focus on subsidy things. So guys, we should not make them diverted from their goal. We should make them able to study those things that are important for them. It's my point of view. I think that you should update your knowledge and it should be allowed that because schools should not teach comprehensive education system in India. Thank you so much, guys.
Good afternoon, Honorable PM and Member of Parliament. I am Sarfaraz. I am Deputy Prime Minister. First of all, I would like to say what point which have been mentioned by our Honorable Prime Minister. It was good and fantastic. First, I would like to say he has mentioned about the fatal disease. Definitely, you can see there in village side. You can see there are lots of people, they are unaware of sex education. They don't know. And also he has mentioned also about the pills. During that means those people that don't have sex education, definitely they started eating the pills and they are very harmful for the bodies. And also they can damage our organ system. And also I would like to add my own point. Generally you can see whenever it's a common thing, whenever we read the chapter reproduction chapter in class, starting with class 7, that time students have lots of fear because they are unable to see. Even in village side you can see girls are unable to speak about the periods, menstruation cycle, even with parents, because they have lots of shy inside it. And also because of lack of sex education, people are starting teasing and molestation to the girls. And also I would like to, nowadays you can see it's a 21st century. The most important thing nowadays, we must have to need one of the best thing, that is sex education. Because we know that